to Android Programmers channel. Welcome you all to Android Programmers channel. In today's video we will see about how to add log message and view the log message in Logcat, and we will also see about how to handle button click event. Two things we will see about in our today's video. So I will create one test project for that. So I am creating my application inside Date 3 my application I have created. And then I am clicking on the, if you can see, I have selected languages Java, and I have given the minimum SDK is Android API 23, that is Android 6.0 Marshmallow, and I am clicking finish, and it will create an empty activity for me. So let it create. So today I am going to show you how to add the log message. So it has created the empty activity project. So you can see that it has created the empty activity project with my app as the project name. So in this one, currently it is going on Gradle build model, so you can see all those things in the view and then build. In this you can see configuration is successful now, so we can build it and we can test our application if needed. And I will show you how to add the log message. So you can see now it is building. We didn't change anything, so obviously the build will be successful. You can see the build is successful, and now what I am going to do is I am going to add a log message. So you can see log. So I am going to create this one, and I am going to assign it to null, and I am going to add alt enter, that is I imported the class, and then log dot here we have E means error log we are adding. If I put E, it's an error log. So tag, I need to give some tag name. So for example, I'll give the tag name is my app, and then I'll give the message is error message. And next what I will do is I will add the log.i. This is information, so I will give the same tag, and then I will give information message, info message. Next I will give log dot verbose. So firstly I will show about these things. So I am saving this one, and I am clicking on rebuild. Clean project if you want you can give, and then you can give rebuild, and hopefully the build will be successful, and then we will see about how is it showing in the logcat. So logcat you can see here, this is the one. So once the emulator is loaded with our application, we can see the view the log message. So it is displayed. So you can see my app and verbose. In the verbose you can see our log message. You can see it is coming verbose information error, both everything is coming. So if you select only the info, you can see info and error message is coming, a verbose message is not coming. So if you select only error, you can see only error message will come, info message and verbose message won't come. So what we will do is we will add debug message also, so that you can able to see that also. So I closed this one. So I closed this one. Otherwise what I will do is I will uninstall it, so that we won't be seeing the old application. So I will show you how to uninstall. So if you need to click here and you need to go and put it, it will ask, do you want to uninstall this? Yeah, uninstall finished, you can see. So now we will add the debug message log.d. My app, I will add it as debug message. Now I will save it and rebuild it, and we will view the project in our emulator. We will view our application in our emulator. So you can see, you can switch it to build. Build is successful, and now I will run it. So install is finished, and you can see that log message, since we have added log message in the on create, so it has created the error message because we have selected only error. You can see the time is 13:44:59, that is current time, so it is not the old message. So after that you can select debug. You can see debug message, info message and error message, and if you select the verbose, it will show all those things including verbose message itself. So now you understand how to add the log message and different log levels I explained. Now what we will do is we will create one button, and we will see how to handle the click event of the button. So I will drop one button here. So I am not changing anything, so let it it is showing as button. So I will give the name as handle button click event. Whatever name you want, you can click, you can give it. So you can see that it is not it is going somewhere. So now you need to save it. In this, alignment won't be proper, so alignment I will take it in one separate video. I will cover it. So as of now you can see only the button click event, so I am going to create one method. I will give handle click event. If you want, you can include handle button click event. Here why it's showing is it don't have that appropriate class, so if you give alt enter it will include that one. And then here what I am going to add the same log messages, so you can able to see that log messages also whenever you click the button. So I have added all those log messages and I am changing the messages button clicked error. Instead of message I will say button click. So info button clicked, verbose button clicked, debug button clicked. Now I saved it. I will run and I will show you. So I need to rebuild it. So if you want, you can directly run here also. Sorry, log variable I need to put this as here. Now it will be alright. So I am rebuilding. Hopefully now it's successful and we can run and we can see our application. So you can see already I showed how to view the message. So if you go to error message, you can see that it has displayed 1349. Just now it has displayed this message. So you can also see it will, whenever you click this thing, it will show the new message. It is not showing. 1 second, because I didn't mapped that one, so obviously it won't show. So I need to go here and I need to go to the attributes and on click I need to map it to handle button click event. Now it will show. Now I need to click save and then build. I will clean build it. Now if I run it, it will show the log message. You can see that. Install finished and it is showing our application. You can see our log message. Now it is showing in 150. You can see the time also. So it is just now it shows this message. So I will show you the. You can see that error button click message is coming, our message. So now if you want to see the verbose, it will show all those things: debug, verbose, info, error, all the error button clicked message is displayed. So now we understood how to add the log message, and we also know how to handle the button click event. So enjoy learning Android. Please like the video and share it to your friends. Please subscribe this channel so that whenever I put new video you can view that. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.